What's up, guys? 2017 National Treasures Random Divisions number 1. Going live. Timestamp is 545. Already have the divisions and the names in. We randomize both. Wherever you end up in the spreadsheet is who you're going to get. Dice has to be 4 or more. Snake Eyes is not going to work. Rolling again. 7. 7 times on the divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. NFC West on top. NFC East on the bottom. TYZPWD is the code for divisions. Let's do the names. Again, 4 or more. 7. 7 on both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Anthony N stayed on top. Ralph Fukumoto on the bottom. LNGMRG is your code for the names. Wherever you line up, that's who you got, guys. Boom. There you go. And we're done. Thanks, everybody, and good luck. 547.